by attracting and mobilizing the younger generation towards the rich values of Indian life and culture. In the short span of 9 years, under the leadership of its headquarters in Bombay, the Academy has various programs which include the mitigation of various evils besetting the society, besides the promotion of cultural and educational activities. Being a totally service-oriented body, the Academy is devoted to the poor, encouragement of literary and sports pursuits, as well as encouragement of artistic and cultural affairs are some of its most important and cherished programs. And in order to encourage and appreciate all those who are working towards these various goals, the Academy has instituted several awards for excellence in different fields of human endeavor, and today have become almost a milestone in the flow of our socio-cultural life. The list of activities of the Academy is so enormous that it is well nigh impossible, which must be shared with all of you who are present today. On the 20th of August 1993, just about a month back, some of us had the privilege of witnessing history being written in golden letters in the great pride for the Academy and for all of us who are associated with it, when Shri Rupani had the singular privilege of addressing the House on behalf of Priyadarshini in the presence of the President, Parliament Hall. Priyadarshini Academy thus enjoyed a unique and unparalleled honor and privilege. And all this has been made possible because of the immense dedication and commitment of the members of the Priyadarshini Academy, such as its co-chairman, Shri Murli Adnani, Vice Chairman, Shri Niranjan Hiranandani, and the General Secretaries, Shri Ram Chaurani and Shri Prabodh Thakkar, whose constant and leading a band of devoted enthusiasts is none other than the founder chairman of the Academy, Shri the spirit behind the entire enterprise, whose ever-gleaming torch of guidance has lighted the Academy's progress on its path of glory. Mr. Rupani's enthusiasm and commitment to the activities of the Academy is exemplary, and once you are in touch with him, you can see who has kept the flag of the Academy flying through thick as well as thin. And I will now take the enviable privilege of requesting Shri Nanik Rupani to kindly address this and also present the report of annual activities. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Nanik Rupani.
Srimati Akama, Alexander Lady Governor, Shri Ram Rao Aditi, Shri Ashok Chavan, Shri Shantaram Porduke, Shri Sunil Dutt, Srimati Kamarao, Mrs. Hemal, award winners, leading film star, members of foreign consulate, members of press and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen. 9 years later, with the support and encouragement of like-minded friends like yourselves, Priyadarshini has expanded and spread to be able to reach out large sections of society. We have gathered here today to celebrate 9 years of responsiveness, consideration and foresight. On the occasion of 9th annual function of Priyadarshini Academy, I extend to you a very hearty and our chief guest this evening is an Honorable Governor of Maharashtra, Dr. P.C. Alexander. Dr. Alexander has played an instrumental role in the development of our nation. His profound involvement in the issues of national concern is well known. And as the Governor of Maharashtra, he is dedicated to the task of development of unique indigenous potential of our state. Maharashtra is extremely fortunate to have a man of his stature as a governor. I once again thank the Honorable Governor and Lady Governor for giving us the honor of their presence. Our guests of honor who are here have given us the honor of their presence despite pressing engagement. Priyadarshini Academy has their blessing and cooperation. My heartiest congratulations to this year's Priyadarshini Award winners. Each one of them have successfully met challenges and excelled in their respective fields. I wish them all the best and in future endeavors. This year, we have like to express my deep and abiding respect for the important work that actually come from Japan to receive this award on behalf of Dr. Ikeda, who has sent us best wishes and has expressed a strong desire to personally receive the award. However, due to commitment made 1 year ago, he is unable to be with us. We thank sincerely for his good wishes. I am glad to inform you that we have received several messages from the world bodies of environment preservation and we have with us Sri Bob Harilila, who is the founder, editor and publisher of Bharat Ratna magazine, which is published from Bombay, and Mr. Ian Almeida played a significant role in enabling us to extend our nutrition program to the victims of the recent bomb blast. He is also the recipient of this year's memento for appreciated service rendered to academia. We have in our midst a galaxy of dignitaries of overseas India. Mr. Vasu Rupani, who has come from Japan, Mr. Bob Harilila, Mr. Tika Mulani, Mr. and Mrs. Karl Kalyan from United States. He had promised me last year that I will especially come even last year because it does. He is going back tomorrow back to US. And Mr. Ashok Sarvani and Mr. Ram Vamshani from Dubai, who is a recipient, who was a recipient of our award for overseas India. These personalities in their respective countries have been doing an admirable job of bridging the gap between people and linking them together with India. We warmly welcome them this afternoon. Their presence here is an honor to us. Each one of them are individual by themselves. Shri Kalyanji Bhai, who is the chairman of our cultural committee of the academy, has been successful in creating an excellent environment for training our yearly musical entertainers, the Star Viva program, which will follow the awards function. The chairman of various committees, awards committees, have to select winners from numerous recommendations, and they are leaving no stone unturned to help us to have our own auditorium. But due to procedure delays, we will have to wait, and you will all have to bear with us. In the meantime, because of the growing demand from our well-wishers and general public, whatever the function, we are trying our best to see that our function reaches to millions of people. This year's function will be telecast by CTV. The telecast date will be intimated earlier on CTV. Last but not the least, I appreciate the support of each and every one of us who have stood by us for the past so many years. It is largely through the efforts of well-wishers like yourself that philosophy of reality has found concrete.
Thank you ever so much, Nanakai, for your, as always, permanent memories of this function. And hence, to commemorate the occasion, we would like to present a special memento to His Excellency. May I request Sri Nani Krupani to kindly do us the favor of presenting this memento to His Excellency the Governor. First, Lady of our State, Mrs. Alexander. Asoka Gakkai International for rendering similar services at the Priyadarshini Academy in Japan, as well as for strengthening Indo-Japanese cultural ties. Accepting his award on his behalf is his deputy, the deputy chairman, Dr. Yoichi Kawada. There was a lot that can be said about this award, but Nani Krupani has apprised you, Mr. Nani Krupani has apprised you of what it is It entails to express my profound gratitude to the Academy and all of its distinguished members. I must also sincerely apologize for not being able to travel to Bombay on this occasion and express my appreciation to all of you in person as befits the great honor that has been conferred upon myself. Unfortunately, a long-standing commitment at Kai International. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Dr. Kawada, and thank you very much, the charming Japanese lady who interpreted the entire thing for us and made it possible to understand what was being said. Thank you once again and many congratulations. A small detour from my address. Sri Karthikeya, born in Banaras, is the head of the Hindi cell at the Mazgaon Docks, Bombay. A senior poet in Hindi, he has 25 titles to his credit, including Prabhu or Paratpar. This award, which is being presented to Shri Mahendra Karthikeya, also comprises a monetary benefit in the form of check of ₹11,000, which I will now request the Priyadarshini Chairman, Shri Nani Krupani, to kindly present to the award winner. You have to stand tall to be visible. The next award is the R.B. Cochin Hirak Opposition in Maharashtra. To kindly present this award to, may I request His Excellency the Governor to do us the honor of presenting this award for Marathi literature. I thank your pardon, ladies and gentlemen. I have Governor Sahab. The check for ₹11,000, may I request Shri Nani Krupani to kindly present. Professor Shinde is the head of the Department of Marathi Literature in Devgari and also has written many Marathi songs for Marathi films. It's the Professor Ram Panchwani Memorial Award, instituted in the memory of the late Professor Ram Panchwani, a leading pillar of the Sindhi community, carrying a trophy and a financial benefit of ₹11,000, and this is being presented to Padma Shri Dada Hundra Dukhayal and is sponsored by Tips Cassettes and Records Company. Padma Shri Dada, an octogenarian, is a rare and versatile combination of a poet, singer, playwright, stage artist, journalist, freedom fighter, national literature organizer, and of course, a dedicated social worker. International Sindhi Panchayat Federation to kindly present this award to Dada. And a check of ₹11,000 to be presented by our chairman. We are honored to have such a revered person with us today, and we congratulate Dada. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the social causes that the Priyadarshini Academy is totally committed to is the eradication of the Indian Oil Corporation, who, as a part of their contribution towards the social reconstruction program of our country, sponsored Umrah Safar, produced by Dr. Yusuf Merchant. This was premiered on the Asian Television Network, and its VHS copies were distributed to colleges and voluntary organizations. Those Indian efforts began by this, and I will request His Excellency the Governor, Dr. P.C. Alexander, to kindly present this award for the deserving award winner. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Rashmi Mayur is the president of the Global Futures Network and has been calmly. Unfortunately, I will request Shri Arun Divekar, Honorable Minister of State for Forest, Energy, Textiles, Sports to kindly present this award. He is not there. May I request Shri Ram Rao Adik to kindly do us the honor. Mr. Vinod Kamli himself is not present because he is serving the cause of cricket in Ahmedabad. It is his brother, Mr. Prashant Kamli, who is receiving this award on his behalf. This award also carries a cheque of ₹5,000. Ladies and gentlemen, every year the Academy honors an outstanding Indian settled abroad for the waves that he's making on the foreign shores, which in turn make his motherland proud of his achievements and his laurels even in other lands. This year, the recipient of this honor is Shri Bob Harihila, a very prominent personality who has rendered humanitarian and philanthropic services to the Indian community. I would request our Chief Guest, His Excellency the Governor of Maharashtra, Dr. P.C. Alexander, to kindly do us the honor of presenting this award to Sri Lanka. Ladies and gentlemen, Shri Harihila is a Justice of Peace in Hong Kong, appointed by the Governor of Hong Kong. He is the Honorary Consul for the Republic of Maldives in Hong Kong and an Honorary Admiral of the U.S. Navy. There's lots to say about him. I have almost an essay on him, but I
just want to say a few more words, if I may. Although I was born and I spent most of my life in a foreign soil, my heart belongs to motherland.
Honorable Chairperson of Women's Commission of Maharashtra, Srimati Prabha Rao, to kindly present this award to Suresh Ji. Suresh Watkar's melodious voice has enthralled millions both in India and abroad. Having started his training at the Jayalal Basant Sangeet Niketan at the tender age of 10, he came into playback singing in 1976 under the music direction of Sri Ravindra Jain. A natural gift of divine melody coupled with dedication and immense hard work have won for Suresh the special place that he occupies in the heart of millions of Hindi film music enthusiasts. Today, Priyadarshini Academy recognizes Suresh Watkar with this very special Kishore Kumar Memorial Award. Ladies and gentlemen, in an effort to keep track of the latest trends in our cultural and artistic life, the Priyadarshini of the stage, as Shri B.R. Chopra is ready to hand over this award to her. Meenakshi is a very gifted... Meenakshi is a very gifted Bharatanatyam exponent, which has won several laurels at various dance festivals, along with her cultural activities. Meenakshi is that rare artiste who combines academic brilliance with artistic endowments, and is currently, believe it or not, studying for her master's degree, which is really and truly remarkable. Whilst congratulating Meenakshi Ji, I would also like to request her not to disappoint the hundreds of fans who are assembled here today. Meenakshi Ji, may I request you to kindly come on to the mic. He's been given this award for his immense contribution to agricultural research and for involving numerous hybrid varieties of seeds for farmers, as well as associations with several solutions and educational organizations. Shivavale is the chairman of NHSC Limited and of Usha Power Limited, and as you see, he is being presented the Businessman of the Year award by the Academy. Another special award instituted this year, ladies and gentlemen, is for an outstanding child artist who is in India, Shri Kalyan. Many congratulations to Kumari Sunidhi, and I'm sure she has a beautiful future of achievement at her state when she was a former governor's wife, a very prominent social worker, who's also a writer, artist, painter, and interior designer, all rolled into one. Begum Lateef has rendered yeoman service to flood relief work in UP, population control projects, extensive Bombay slum dwellers improvement projects, anti-drug addiction projects, promotion of communal harmony, rehabilitation of families of riot victims, and Priyadarshini Academy is actually honoring a legend in his own lifetime. As I now request Sri Nana Churasama, our incomparable and irrepressible former Sheriff of Bombay, who as you know played 2 innings most efficiently, to kindly do us the honor of presenting the trophy to Sri Sayani. Sri Amin Sayani began his tryst with radio at the young age of 9 and became the pioneer of commercial broadcasting in Hindi when he started his campaigns on Radio Ceylon. The most heard voice on All India Radio, he can be heard over networks spreading far and wide, way beyond the boundaries of our own country. Not merely happy to rest upon the laurels of his profession and commercial achievements, Sri Sayani has played and is playing a very important role in Managing Director and President of Crompton Greaves Limited. And I will now request Sri Ashok Chavan, Honorable Minister of State for Public Works, Government of Maharashtra, to kindly present this award. Mr. Nodia is one of the most distinguished technocrats of the Indian engineering industry. He has 40 years of experience and expertise in electrical and electronic industry, which has been put to much use by serving as a member of several professional developmental organizations too. And it is for his immense contribution that Mr. Nodia is being given this award. Many congratulations to him. In this field, we will request the Member of Parliament, our very special guest from Delhi, Mrs. Veena Verma, to kindly present this award to Dr. Motwani. Dr. Motwani is honorary surgeon at Bombay's Jastroke Hospital and Beach Candy Hospital, from where he serves his fellow human beings with his talent and expertise. And Priyadarshini Academy is honored by honoring him. And now for contribution in the field of education, we wish to felicitate the multifaceted octogenarian Dada Sanmukh C. Israni for his outstanding contribution in the field of education. I would request Sri Govindra Adik, Honorable Member of which is for Mr. Asrani to his son Sri Roopchand Israni. Dada is ailing and is in the hospital, so he is unable to attend himself. Dada Israni is an educationist with a vision and a man of all seasons. He is an industrialist, an electronics man, an aviation man, a sound recording engineer, an acknowledged social worker, a scholar, and an artist and a singer. What great achievements to one man. He is secular and Gandhian in his outlook, and that's the kind of people that we need to lead us today. Sri Shantaram Kotuke, Member of Parliament, to kindly present this award to Mr. Almeida. Ladies and gentlemen, before we go further with the awards, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome Mr. and Mrs.
और हर साल हमारी कोशिश यही रहती है कि हम नए कलाकारों को आपके सामने पेश करें। तो आइए आज के स्वर विभाग के बारे में ज्यादा जानकारी देने के लिए मैं आमंत्रित करता हूं हमारे प्यारे प्यारे कल्याण जी भाई। तमाम भाइयों और आप दोनों
गणेश का दिन है। आज हम लोग जैन हैं तो महावीर का मालूम है, महावीर संस्कृति है समझ लिए। तो आज का जो प्रोग्राम आप सुनेंगे वो भावना में 1 से 1.5 घंटे का आपको मौजूद देंगे और वनडे क्रिकेट मैच से वनडे फिजिकल क्रिकेट समझ लीजिए आप। और एक प्लेयर आएगा बैटिंग करेगा, जहाँ मुझे आपको लगे कि बड़ों है वहाँ चलने लगा, लेकिन सब नए नए कलाकार बच्चे ज़्यादा हैं। तो बच्चे आज आपको बताऊँगा, आपने बच्चों की आवाज़ दिया वो भी है यहाँ। तो आज का हम प्रोग्राम शुरू कर रहे हैं। एक हमारे ओम नमो जय आया जाऊँगा सोनाली, निशा, संजय, जावेद सवाल। इसके बारे में मुमताज नाज़िर से क्या लिखा है, इसके बारे में एक